Hi everyone. I have got probably the most beautiful delivery today, which you're going to unbox with me. You ready for this? It's really heavy, but it's so gorgeous. Well, I hope it's as gorgeous as the pictures make it out to be. There we go. Ripped off. Excuse my cats in the background. They're ready for the unboxing as well. So, if any of you haven't guessed already, this does give it away as well. The company, Hemingway, they sell the most beautiful books you'll ever see. So this is my first reaction of them, as well as you guys coming along with me to see what they're like. It's very well packaged, which is good because they did cost a fair bit of money. Okay, we're ready. I think I might have opened it upside down now. However, oh my God. They are so pretty. Look how pretty this box is. Oh my God, look. Look, everyone. This is just the box it comes in. If anyone hasn't guessed, Throne of Glass, one of the best book series ever, in my opinion. My best friend bought me the first book for Christmas last year and I've been hooked ever since. So this is technically her fault. I've spent all my money on this. So this is what the box looks like. I wish I could pick it up. This is so heavy. Turn it over now. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay. Oh my God. Guys, look. I'm going to freak out now. Hang on. Oh. Oh my God, look at them books, guys. Oh. Be really careful with it now. But like I said, I got this off of Hemingway. I think they've recently changed their name to Heirloom, I think. Don't quote me on that. They're an American company, but they do post all over the world. I will say how much these did cost me at the end, for anyone that's interested. But we'll get them out now. Okay. Oh my God. Guys, look. Oh my God. They are stunning. Oh my God, guys, look. So this is the first one in the series. Look at that sprayed edge. Oh my God. Okay, so that's number one. The Assassin's Blade. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. Look at that. Oh, stun. Guys, look how pretty these are. Look at those edges. You see the detail. Look at the detail in them. Wow. There's a lot of books as well. Next one, Air of Fire. Wow, it's so pretty. Now they sell a lot of fantasy books on this website. Queen of Shadows. Wow, this is a hefty one. They do all of sort of the Sarah J. Maas ones, lots of romantic ones. They do the Fourth Wing series. They even do like Lord of the Rings books. You can get Laurie Gilmore books on here as well. Look at this one, guys. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. But yeah, definitely, if you're into like limited edition books, definitely check these guys out. Like I said, they do deliver worldwide. So no matter where you live, they will deliver to you at cost. I managed to get, if you spend over a certain amount, you do get free delivery, which is, I got free delivery. And they deliver it with FedEx, so really reliable company. The last one, this big boy. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. The last sprayed edge there. How absolutely stunning are they? Even the box they came in. So we've got, let's see, little, there we go. Oh, looks like they haven't been around for long. It has been a year of Hemingway books this May, and we hope to celebrate many more milestones, bringing you books and perfect collectible editions. So if you are interested in lots of collectibles, definitely check these guys out. Like I said, I'm pretty sure in the last week, my favourite genre is fierce female main character. Yes! Love that. Yes, like I said, I'm pretty sure the last week they've changed their name to Heirloom. I will quote them in the post as well. But yes, guys, look, even the box. I don't even want, this is like such a pretty cardboard box. I don't even want to throw it away, even though it's wrecked at the bottom. But yeah, check them out, guys. Look how absolutely gorgeous they all are. Oh, stunning. So guys, here they are, the most beautiful books you've ever seen. Look, love them. They're so pretty. But I will say, the only thing I'm a little bit disappointed, not disappointed, but I just checked the website. I did think they came in a box, as you can see. Like, probably won't see. I thought they came in a box. Not overly bothered that there hasn't, but it would have been nice to sort of keep them all together. And this is the website as well that they're on. It's called, they have changed their name recently to Heirloom. I don't know if you can see, if it will focus. But heirloombookstores.com is where I've got them from. Like I said, I'm pretty sure they are American. However, because all the prices are in American dollars, but they do ship to the UK. So for an example, the set that I just bought cost $349 US. When you convert that, it was about £260. I paid for them with delivery as well included in that. But for example, they've got the Alchemist book for $44, the Tally Heart series Quicksilver, and they have like the Hunger Game books, loads of different books on here, to be fair. The Bride, Ali Hazelwood series, The Bride. They're all limited edition ones. They are all, it's got a sprayed edge on, which makes them super, super gorgeous. But if these are the sort of thing you're interested in, collecting limited edition books, like me, but now I don't have any room for them all because I keep buying more books. But yes, that's these guys. I hope you enjoyed our little video today. Me unboxing my new collection, which I am completely obsessed with. I just need to find a beautiful place to put them and never touch them and never read them. So just read them on my Kindle and just never touch them, which is what you're supposed to do with limited edition books, right? Let me know in the comments, guys, if what books you guys like to read, if any books you like to read. Love them. Love them. Thanks, guys.